Hello all you beautiful people, this is Kunjal Patel. Today I gonna tell you how to clean throttle body of any car by yourself at home without paying high fees to car mechanic. First, park the car in a well-ventilated area and turn off the engine. Make sure the car is in park and the emergency brake is engaged. Locate the throttle body. It is usually located on the intake manifold, near the air filter box. Consult the owner's manual or a repair guide if you are unsure. Remove the air intake tube from the throttle body by loosening the clamps on both ends of the tube. Use a screwdriver or pliers to loosen the clamps. Use a throttle body cleaner to spray the inside of the throttle body. Be sure to spray the throttle plate and the surrounding areas. Allow the cleaner to soak for a few minutes. Use a clean rag or a toothbrush to scrub the inside of the throttle body. Be careful not to damage any sensors or wiring. Please subscribe my channel and hit icon like button as it motivates me. Use a clean rag to wipe away any excess cleaner and debris. Be sure to remove all debris from the throttle body and surrounding areas. Reattach the air intake tube to the throttle body and tighten the clamps. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. This will allow the engine control module to reset and adapt to the newly cleaned throttle body. Test drive the car to ensure the throttle response is smooth and consistent. And that's it. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and use caution when working on your car. Thanks for watching video.